On the fact that the White House knew after 2 hours that the attacks were made by Islamic militant groups?
Well, I've always thought that. I mean, the fact is, you'd have to be foolish not to realize that this was an Islamic extremist terrorist attack. There had been 2 attacks on that consulate in April and in June of 2012. So all of a sudden you have a 3rd attack on September 11. It doesn't take a genius to figure out this is an Islamic extremist terrorist attack. I don't know why the White House and the administration has engaged in all of these lies and misperceptions and statements. I mean, they look foolish with the things they've been saying about it. They put the UN ambassador on to basically say things that were laughable. She was on with John McCain, and John McCain said, this is a spontaneous attack, and they bring rocket-propelled hand grenades and mortars to a terrorist. You can't figure out this is a terrorist attack? So I don't know exactly why the administration is engaging in this cover-up. I suspect it's because the president lives in this fantasy world that he sort of defeated Al-Qaeda when he got rid of bin Laden. The reality is Islamic extremist terrorism is probably worse now than it's been in a long, long time. And part of this is due to President Obama's exceedingly unrealistic approach to Islamic extremist terrorism.
Do you think that they were trying to mislead the American people by saying that this was about a YouTube video?
I think what they were doing was playing election year politics rather than thinking about the national security of the United States, putting election year politics ahead of our national security, and for that they should be ashamed.
Thank you.